How to create a poll in a WhatsApp channel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. After you're in the WhatsApp, click on Updates at the bottom. After you click on Updates, click on the channel where you want to create a poll. Then at the bottom, click on Clip Like option. After you click on it, you'll find different options pop up. Click on Poll. After you've clicked on Poll, you will find this kind of screen. Now, in Question, add your question, and at the bottom, in Options, you can add your answers. You can add how much answer you want by pressing on Add, and Add. Then press on Send, and your poll has been created. And this is how to create a poll in a WhatsApp channel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.